Opening the device. Power off your iPhone X. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paperclip. Remove 2 screws with the pentalobe screwdriver beside the charging connector. Heat the LCD screen along its edges. Fix the suction cup in the lower area of the LCD screen. Try to raise the LCD screen up from the middle cover by pulling on the suction cup. Try to slide the plectrum tool simultaneously between LCD screen and middle cover. Hint: this step requires some patience because the LCD screen is strongly glued. Heat again and again. Hint: remove the suction cup while heating the LCD screen. If you succeed with sliding the plectrum tool between LCD screen and middle cover, you can leave it at first as a placeholder. Preferably use a second plectrum tool and lever once around the whole LCD screen to solve the adhesive. As soon as the adhesive is solved completely, you can raise it up carefully. Attention! Initially, the connection between the LCD screen and the middle cover remains by 3 flex cables. Do not damage them. Solve the 5 screws of the connector covering with the Y-type screwdriver. Attention! Only 3 of the 5 screws have the same length. The other ones are different, so put them well sorted aside so as not to get confused later when assembling. Remove the covering with a tweezer. Solve the 3 flex connections of the LCD screen, as well as the flex connection of the battery, with the help of the spudger and the plectrum tool. Now the LCD screen is separated completely from the middle cover and can be set aside. Removing the battery. Hint: the battery is bisected and every part is glued separately. The longitudinal part of the battery is fixed with one pull-out tape. The transverse part of the battery is fixed with 3 small pull-out tapes. We start with the longitudinal part of the battery and try to pull out the ending of the adhesive strip with a tweezer until we can grab it. Pull out the adhesive strip in one piece, if possible. This method is also valid for the 3 pull-out tapes of the transverse part of the battery. Pull out the endings of the 3 adhesive strips one after the other with a tweezer. Grab them and pull them out in one piece. If one of the strips tears off, you can lever out the battery with the help of the spudger. Then you can remove the battery. If you have any adhesive residuals, you can easily remove them with the help of the tweezer. Fixing the battery. Hint: we suggest using the original pull-out tape for the iPhone X to fix the battery. We used alternatively the pull-out tape of iPhone 5S, because the one for iPhone X was not available yet as we made the video. Remove the protective foil from the pull-out tape. Put the adhesive strips down to the battery and push them solid. Remove the protective foil from the back side of the pull-out tape. Insert the battery and link the battery connector. You can use the battery connector to adjust the battery to its right position. Fix the battery by pushing with a towel. Solve the battery connector. Remove the flex module with speaker module, microphone and light sensor from the old LCD screen. Remove 3 screws from the module with the screwdriver Y-type. Raise the speaker module carefully and fold it to the side. Heat the LCD screen from the front side in the area of the module to solve the flex. Solve the flex cable and the sensors bit by bit with the spudger. Heat it again if needed. Solve the flex cable again with the spudger until you can remove the whole flex module. Transferring the flex module with speaker module, microphone and light sensor to the new LCD screen. Insert the flex module and adjust it. Push the flex cable and the sensors slightly with the spudger. adjust the speaker module and push it also slightly. Then fix the module with 3 screws. Closing the device. Keep the LCD screen close to the middle cover to connect the flex cables. Push the connectors slightly with a spudger. Power on the LCD screen and test its functionalities. Power off the device. Lay down the connector covering with a tweezer and fix it with 5 screws. Hint: the LCD screen must be glued with the middle cover. New LCD screens do not contain any adhesive for the LCD screen. You have to buy them separately. We suggest using the original LCD adhesive for the iPhone X. In our case, we used the adhesive of the old LCD screen because the original one was not available yet as we made the video. Turn down the LCD screen to the middle cover. Start pushing the LCD screen to the middle cover in the upper area. Push it solid once around the whole LCD screen until it is fixed completely. Power on the device to make final testing of screen functionalities. Power off the device. Insert the SIM card tray. Fix the two screws between the charging connector.